Hi family, and welcome back to Nancy's Cuisine. Hope you all are doing amazing. So today we're gonna be doing this vanilla and chocolate buttercream. Very simple with just 5 ingredients. Let's get right into the recipe. Add butter and powdered sugar to a mixing bowl and mix until well combined. This recipe gives us about 6 to 8 cups of buttercream. Once your powdered sugar and butter are well combined, add whipping cream, vanilla, and salt and mix for about 7 to 8 minutes until light and creamy. Mix on medium to high speed and don't forget to scrape the corners of your bowl. So fam, our vanilla buttercream is ready. To make chocolate buttercream, all you need to do is add 1 cup of cocoa powder at the end of the recipe. That is it fam. Give your cupcakes a twist by using this buttercream. You will not regret it. Very simple and very easy recipe. Thank you so much family for being with me throughout this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and drop your comments below. Take care. I'll see you next week. God bless you. Bye.